What if I told you that right now you could take advantage of one of the biggest companies on the planet, and by leveraging what's quite possibly the simplest side hustle strategy ever conceived, make an extra $1, $2, $5, even $10,000 per month. Now, this single strategy is what was responsible for supporting myself and my family when I was made redundant from my full-time job back in 2015, and has continued to do so ever since. Now, I want to share some fundamental tactics and principles that I've used to show you how I was able to go from a burnt-out caravan salesman to working with the likes of Disney, Samsung, Fisher-Price, brands just like that, and here's the kicker, without them even knowing. Now, you're probably wondering, random guy on the internet, is this even legal? Is this something we can actually do? And the short answer is absolutely, 100%. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 4 simple steps that I call the SLAP method, but more on that later in the video. But first, what exactly is this strategy, and why are people failing to see the massive, massive opportunity that it gives? Now, I told you right at the very beginning of the video that we're going to be able to take advantage of one of the biggest companies on the planet. That company is Amazon. And the way this strategy works, it's like I said, it's really, really, really simple. All we do is we go onto online stores, the same types of online stores that you're probably shopping at once a day, a couple of times a week, whatever it might be, and find products that are for sale at a low price. They've been discounted, they're available in the sale, or there's a coupon that we can use. Then using a very special tool, which I'm going to show you later on in the video, we look those products up. It can work out all the fees and expenses, costs for shipping and Amazon's commission and all those kind of things, and work out how much profit we would make if we were to resell those products on Amazon. So quite simply, how the process works is we buy these products that are available at a discount. We get them shipped to a third-party prep center. The prep center will prepare them, they'll label them, and they will forward them onto Amazon's fulfillment center, where they're stored until a customer comes onto Amazon's website and places an order for your products. So when that happens, the Amazon team will pick, pack, and post it out on your behalf, which means that you never have to physically touch or see any of the products that you're selling. So that also means that wherever you are in the world, it doesn't matter if you're based in Thailand, Singapore, if you're based in Norway, or wherever it is that you live in the world, you can take advantage from this strategy, because you can sell on all the major marketplaces like Amazon.com in the US, Amazon UK, Amazon Germany, France, any of the marketplaces that currently exist. It doesn't matter where you live in the world, you can take advantage of this strategy. We call this strategy reselling. And in case you're wondering what's really possible when you put this side hustle into action, here's an example of an account belonging to one of the heroes in our community who's managed to achieve over £500,000, Great British pounds, in sales over the last 12 months. That's over $600,000 US. Pretty incredible, I think you'll agree. So let's go take a look over now on my computer screen, and I'll show you step by step the SLAP method of how you can put this strategy into action and start profiting from it right away. All right, so we're over on my computer screen now. I'm going to show you the SLAP method, the 4-step simple process to put this strategy to work. So SLAP stands for source, list, advertise, and profit. So let's go through exactly how that works. So the first part, source. We need a source to buy from. We need an online store or list of online stores from which we can buy these products. Now, I'm sure everybody's familiar with Lego.com. This is where you can buy Lego directly from the manufacturers themselves. So the way I would go about this is I'd go to the main website and I'd head into this. They've got an offers section here, right? So we click through to offers, and then they have a sale section, so we can go into sale. Now, these are products that Lego are currently offering at a discount. You can see it, 20% off, this one's 20% off. But if we scroll over to page number 2, so I've done a little bit of research ahead just to show you exactly how this works. They have a set here called Everyone is Awesome, and it currently has 30% off the regular price. So typically sells for $34.99, currently available to pick up at $24.49. So I've got that open over here. There we go. Exclusive set, 30% off, $24.49. We can buy up to 5 of these from the Lego store. So now what we do is really simple. We just highlight the text here, the title of this product, Everyone is Awesome. We're going to right click and copy it, and then go over to Amazon.com. Then we're going to type Lego, because I didn't copy that, and paste in, right click and paste, Lego Everyone is Awesome. And then we're going to do a search for it. We're going to find that exact product that's selling on Amazon. Now we've got a couple of different options that are coming up. This is an LED lighting kit. This is a knockoff version of the same set, so this isn't Lego, but this one here looks to be the correct one. Everyone is Awesome, 640 reviews. So let's go take a look. Now I mentioned earlier on that we have a really special tool that we use to calculate profits, work out shipping, and all those kinds of things so that we will know exactly where we are ahead of time and can calculate everything out.
So what we do is once the page is loaded up, you can see the tool is now loading. It's called BuyBot Pro. It's available for a really low cost, like $35 per month. Anyway, so what we do then is we enter the buy price. So like I showed you earlier on, we can buy this from Lego right now for $24.49. So in the buy price, we enter $24.49. And then if I press the enter key, the return key on my keyboard, it's going to calculate based on the selling price, which is $53.48, how much profit we would make if we were to resell this exact set over on Amazon.com. So we can make a profit of $14.73 on every single one of these that we buy. So the ROI would work out at 60.15%. That means we're getting back 60 cents on every dollar we invest, or $6 on every $10 that we invest. The other cool thing about this tool is we can say, look, we can buy 5 of these. So let's get a calculation how much profit we'd make if we were to buy 5 of these sets. And we can scroll down to the section here where it breaks everything down, and it says profit if you were to buy 5, you'll make $73.64. And that's on just one product. Just think about that for a moment. How many online stores are there out there? And how many products are inside those online stores that are available at a discount right now? Hopefully that's captured your imagination, because I can assure you there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of opportunities available like this every single day. Now I know some of you are going to be wondering about the costs, Amazon's fees and the shipping and all that kind of stuff. Well, if I go and hover over this total cost section, you can see a complete breakdown. So Amazon's referral fee, that's their commission, they're charging us $8.02. We've got the storage fee, because like I mentioned earlier on, we send these to Amazon's fulfillment center where they will look after them for us until they are sold. And then we have Amazon's fulfillment fee, which is the cost for them to pick it off the shelf, pack it in a box, and ship it to your customer on your behalf. So all of that is taken care of ahead of time. So that means we can make what we call informed buying decisions every single time. The other cool thing about this tool is we can see exactly how many times per month this product is selling. So if I hover over this blue box, you can see that in April alone, it sold 54 units. In March, 111. February before that, 102. 102 in January as well. So we can quite easily buy 5 of these, and in the next couple of weeks, even in the next week, be entirely sold out. So this is an example on Amazon.com. And just to show you that you can do the exact same thing in the UK marketplace, I have an example here to show you. So over on argos.co.uk, anyone who's in the UK will be familiar with Argos, online catalog company that you can order and get delivered to your home. So I'm in the technology clearance section here. If I just scroll down a touch, you will see this Logitech wireless gaming headphone set. Lowest ever price at $29.99. So let's open that up, and then we can go and have a look for it on Amazon. So what I would do here, Argos are great. They publish the EAM, which is the barcode number, so we can highlight that, copy it, and then head over to Amazon and look it up. Okay, so on Amazon, we're going to paste that in there once again, give it a search, and we should be able to find, there we are, the right set. So just compare pictures, so you can see it's the same product. Got the little curly green wire coming down there. So let's go and do the exact same thing that we did with the Lego set. Let's enter what we can buy it for and see exactly how much profit we can make. So $29.99, we can give that a search. And there we are. We can make £23.94 on every single one of those, which gives us a 79.83% ROI. They're selling a lot, you could say, every single month, 1,300 plus in May alone. So a pretty good product there. So let's say we bought just 10 of those and recalculate. We can actually make £239 just from this one single product. And once again, if we go back to this here, you can see there are lots and lots and lots of clearance products inside of the technology section, once again in just this single website. So that's the first of the 4 simple steps of the SLAP method, source. Now I'm going to show you how we do the second step, and that's list. So we're going to list them for sale on Amazon's website. So the first thing that you need to do is get yourself an Amazon seller account if you don't already have one. So go to sell.amazon.com or .co.uk if you're in the UK, or .de if you're in Germany, or .ca for Canada. Just change the extension for the country that you live in or the country that you wish to sell into. And then when you'll land on a page that looks very much like this, go sign up for an account and then you'll be ready to rock and roll. So once you have your Amazon seller account, it's really simple. All you do is you come in here, you go to the main menu, you go to catalog, add products, and it's going to put you on this page here. Then you simply search for the product that you want to list. So let's go with the headphone set that I showed you earlier on. So we search for the barcode number, which I already have here. We hit the search button and it should pull up the listing. So next thing that we want to do is select the condition, click sell this product. So literally all we need to do on this page is tell Amazon we want to ship it to them for them to store and fulfill on our behalf. how much we want to charge for it, and the condition. So first of all, I'm going to say Amazon will dispatch this and provide customer service. I want to charge, for argument's sake, let's say I'm going to charge $59.99, and then I'm going to select new from the condition. Then I'm going to come down to here and I'm going to hit save and finish. And that's it. That product has now been loaded into my Amazon inventory. So when it arrives at my prep center, they will be able to label it and get it forwarded onto Amazon's fulfillment center. So the third step in the Slack process is to advertise. Now, before you get worried about having to spend money on pay-per-click advertising or anything like that, don't, because we don't have to do any of that whatsoever. Because we're selling a product that's already listed on Amazon's marketplace, it means that Amazon do all of the marketing for us. So Amazon's spending money on Facebook ads, on Google ads, on TV, radio, everywhere, specifically to drive eyeballs to your products. Their own as well, but of course we are going to be there as well. So once we've got those products listed, they're advertised on the product page here, and so long as we're priced competitively, we'll get a share of what's known as the buy box, which is the area on the product page where a customer can hit add to basket. You can see this particular seller is Amazon themselves, but in some cases you'll see other sellers with other names, third-party sellers just like ourselves. So that's how the advertise step of the process works. And that brings me to step 4 of the SLAP method. P for profit. This is the most exciting part because it's where we get to take our money to the bank. So here is a report that shows just some of the transactions that have gone through my account, through sales that I've made on my Amazon account here. So this particular one here, we can see the Lego Brickheads Disney Eve. It's a Lego set, right? I sold that for $33.99. You can see Amazon's fees coming off, which deposited £26 into my Amazon seller account, which I was able to withdraw to my bank account. Let's just have a quick look at the breakdown of the fees that I paid. So I sold the set for $33.99. Amazon charged me a commission of £5.20, and they charged me a fulfillment and packing fee of £2.79, which left me with £26. I paid £13.49 for those. So I made just a little under double my original investment.
And that's it. That is the reselling strategy in a nutshell. Now I want you to do 2 things before you leave this video. The first thing is to go down to the comments section and drop the word inspired. If this video's got you excited and it's got your creative juices flowing as to exactly how you might be able to put this strategy into action for yourselves and start profiting from it right away. And the second thing is there's a link in the description, and it's going to take you to a page where you can find out more about what we do here at Marketplace Superheroes and how we can help people just like you to put this and many other Amazon related strategies to work for yourselves. All right, so thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing you on another video.